How to sign up your account in PayPal. If you want to create a new account in PayPal, then follow this instruction. First, make sure that you have downloaded PayPal on your iPhone. After that, click on the search bar and open PayPal. Now you will see this login page. If you have already created your account, then type in your email and password and click on login. And if you have forgotten your password, click on this forgot password link to reset it. Now to create a new account, click on the sign up option. After that, type in your email address on this field. Then click on next. Now you have to type in your mobile number. After that, click on this next option. Now click on this box to ensure that you are human. Now you'll receive a temporary code on your mobile number, so simply copy that code and type in here. After that, create a new password and click on next. After that, type in your first name, last name and date of birth. Now you have to type in your address on this field. Now after you have typed in your address, click on this agree and create account option. So this is how you can create a new account on PayPal. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.